Yeah, you like that, don't you, kid?
He loves it. Look at his legs shaking.
It's like clockwork.
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.
Jackson has the best ass as can be.
Makes my yellow hair stick up on my
Thumb.
unshinable sea.
My unshinable sea.
My China. Oh yeah, Jackson, my China. Oh!
Yeah.
That's a happy dog.
Boy.
Oh, who's my body? Oh, you're my body. Oh, you're my body. Oh, come here. Oh, you wanna bite me?
Boy, Jackson.
The suspense is killing me. I'm like, yeah, what's gonna happen?
Drop it. Drop it. Nope, drop it. Let go.
Drop the tail.
Drop it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it.
Give it to me, baby, nice and wet.
Alright, foot action.
Oh yeah. Jackson's loving that shit.
Oh shit.
Jackson. Good boy.
Oh, Scooby Dooby Doo. Where are you?
He's running on your ass now.
And loves it.
Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Jackson's getting molested.
Coming back for seconds.
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. You like that, Jackson? Yeah. All right. I'm about worn out.
And we're friends. And we're friends.
Should I stop it?
I don't know. Hold on. Should I put him in a full Nelson first?
Phil does that all the time.
What's up?
Yeah, he's gonna fuck you up now. Get him,
All right.
Jackson. Get him.
All right.
Jackson, get
I
him.
gotta get going.
Get him. Get him, Jackson.
No, Jackson's still in friendly mode.
Get him. Get him.